Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced herbal tea. This method, known as cold brewing, is incredibly simple and yields a smooth, less bitter drink. You'll start by combining your favorite loose-leaf herbal tea with cold water. For best results, use 1 tablespoon of tea for every 8 ounces of water. Then, place the mixture in the refrigerator to steep. This gentle process extracts the flavors beautifully. The steeping time is crucial for achieving the perfect flavor. We recommend letting your tea steep for 8 to 12 hours in the refrigerator. This duration typically provides a well-balanced and refreshing taste. If you prefer a stronger, more robust brew, you can extend the steeping time a bit longer. Experiment to find what works best for your palate and the specific herbal blend you are using. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, it's time to strain it. Use a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the herbal leaves. This ensures a clear, smooth beverage. Discard the used leaves responsibly. Now, your delicious iced herbal tea is ready to be served. Pour it over plenty of ice and consider adding a slice of lemon, a sprig of mint, or a touch of honey for extra enjoyment. Your homemade iced herbal tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its fresh taste. Feel free to customize your drink with various additions. A squeeze of fresh lemon, a few berries, or a touch of agave nectar can enhance the flavor profile. Don't be afraid to explore different herbal blends, like peppermint, chamomile, or hibiscus, to discover your new favorite refreshing beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.